me about some of those experiences at Matt's church. How did you feel about that? Was that fun? Was it exciting?
It was fun. It was years ago that Matt got me on to the stage talking about my friendships.
Mm-hmm. And then what happened after the message? Do you remember? The line of people that you had to meet you. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
we were
awesome.
there for 2 hours after church was over because we had a line of kids. I mean, we're talking middle school and high school kids that stood in a line. And I remember we had parents coming thinking, who came to our church tonight? Like, what is my kid doing waiting to talk to this kid? But they loved him and they wanted their picture with him. And I kid you. I mean, we just went back to California last week and we had students who are in college now who still talk about that night and meeting Tim and the impact that I feel like those kids were so impacted that night that they probably went back to their high school and probably looked at kids and looked at the world a little bit differently after that night. So that story was really powerful and Tim had such a powerful impact on those people.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And by the way, Ashten has had always banned the R word in her home.
That's right, we do.
Because it's hurtful to people like us, like me, and to my friends.
That's right.
So I decided to sign a petition to get rid of the R word. And I called up my best friend and told her to ban the R word.
Yep.
So they did it, abandoned it in their home too.
Yep, and that's what we talked about that night is the R word and the importance of not using it and how it can be hurtful, right? That's what we taught those kids. Yep.
And you told those kids from your heart, huh, Tim?
I did.
I guarantee you those kids never use that word again.
It was a fun night. After all that talk, we had a little dancing competition and I broke dance on the floor. And I won a package of stars. What do you call it? Starburst.
You remember that?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Things you remember. So
that was awesome. It was a package of Starburst. It was fun.
Oh my gosh, that is so funny.